Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's lots of lip stains out there, so I thought I would do a little bit of a comparison between designer and high street. So I have got for you two here. One is the much talked about Yves Saint Laurent, the Tatouage Couture, and I have got here a lip paint Laquer by L'Oreal. Big price difference. This one is, I think, £6.99 or something. And this one is £29 or thereabouts. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting on some lip liner. I've got L'Oreal Mercier in True Red. The liner is just going to help to keep the colour in place, the lipstick in place that much longer. I'm going to go in with the lip paint. And this shade is 105 Red Fiction. It's quite a nice angled applicator we've got here. Very intense, very intense colour. It's not as glossy as I would have probably expected it to be, because this is supposed to be one of their lacquers. It's not one of the matte ones. They do some matte shades as well. It's supposed to last 8 hours. I guess if it's over gloss, it's not going to last, is it? I like it. Doesn't feel sticky, but doesn't feel dry. Just nice, very comfortable to wear, and really intense pigment. Definitely give it my thumbs up. Now let's see if it comes off easily. Okay, it's not transfer resistant, that's for sure. Okay, so next we're going to go for the next lip stain, which is the Tatouage Couture in #1, which is currently sold out. And I'm going to just line my lips with Nars Velvet Lip Liner. Let's try the Tatouage Couture, which is currently sold out in shade #1. Been lucky enough to get my hands on some of it. That's what it looks like. And it's got quite an interesting angled sponge applicator, which is a bit weird. Let's see how that goes on. Okay. Nice. Really light. I love it. Really love the applicator. You can turn it sideways, face down. You could almost feel like the edge and work it like a lip liner. It's fantastic. Really great. Okay, I'm not generally a fan of matte lipsticks on my lips, but I like this one because it doesn't look kind of liney on my lips. I don't see any signs of bleeding. This is supposed to last for about 8 hours or thereabouts. It's lovely. Okay, so this one's matte, and the L'Oreal lip paint is slightly glossy. This one is really light, really feather light. You can see, got very intense pigment there, and super duper light. Oops, got this one upside down. And this one, the applicator's not quite the same, but I mean, one's £29 and one's £6.99. I think they're both fabulous products. If I had to choose one for myself, I would choose this one, definitely. That's a winner for me. But this is great. I would very happily use this. And for £6.99, I think it's 3 for 2 at the moment in Boots as well. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? Great products, both of them. Definitely give them my thumbs up. Okay, so let's see if this lasts 8 hours. I'm actually going out for dinner now. So it's not going to be quite 8 hours by the time I get back. Let's just see how the lipstick wears, shall we? Okay, I'll see you a bit later. Bye. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please give it the thumbs up. And if you've got any questions, please put them in the description box below. I will list all the products that I've used today, and I'll see you next week. Bye. So, hello again. So I've been out for dinner, been drinking, eating, just having my tea, and next to no transfer there, which is pretty good. Now, a little bit has worn away, just in the inner edge of the lip, as you would expect, I guess, from oil, food, drink. But out here, there's no movement at all. Absolutely nothing has budged, which I'm really impressed with, to be honest. And there's no bleeding, which is very unusual. Normally you would get bleeding, a little bit of bleeding by now. So that's a winner for me. Cheers.